Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if you find this helpful. All the links mentioned in this review are down below in the description. This overview reflects my personal experience using the product. RememBear is a password manager developed by the same team behind TunnelBear, a popular VPN service. It aims to simplify and strengthen your online security by generating and securely storing strong, unique passwords for all your online accounts. No more remembering dozens of complex passwords or, even worse, reusing the same weak password across multiple sites. RememBear handles all of that for you, encrypting your data with robust security measures to protect your sensitive information from prying eyes. The interface is designed with user-friendliness in mind, featuring a charming bear mascot and easy-to-navigate menus. This intuitive design makes it simple for even less tech-savvy users to get started with password management. Key features include automatic form filling, secure password generation, and cross-device syncing, allowing you to access your passwords on your computer, phone, and tablet. RememBear also offers two-factor authentication for added security, providing an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. While RememBear boasts a streamlined set of features, it might not offer the advanced functionalities found in some competing password managers. However, its simplicity is a major selling point for users who prioritize ease of use and a clear, uncluttered interface. Its focus on core password management functions makes it a great option for individuals looking for a reliable and straightforward solution without the bells and whistles of more complex programs. This approach eliminates the learning curve often associated with robust password managers, making secure password practices accessible to a wider audience. Ultimately, RememBear provides a compelling blend of security and simplicity, making it a worthy contender in the crowded password management arena. For those seeking a user-friendly experience coupled with robust security features, RememBear is certainly worth considering.